I'd like to play a game that is so much fun, and it's not so very hard to do. The name of the game is Simple Simon Says, and I would like for you to play it too. Put your hands in the air, shake them all about. Do it when Simon says, and you will never be out. Simple Simon Says, put your hands on your hips, let your backbone slip, Simon Says. Simple Simon Says, put your hands on your hips, let your backbone slip, Simon Says. Put your hands on your head, bring them down by your side, shake them to your left, now shake them to your right. Put your hands on your head, bring them down by your side, shake them to your left, now shake them to your right. Now that you have learned to play this game with me, you can see it's not so hard to do. Let's try it once again, this time more carefully, and I hope the winner will be you. Clap your hands in the air, do it double time, slow it down like before. Are you looking fine? Now clap them high in the air, do it double time, slow it down like before. Now you're looking fine.